Hey guys, it's Ben Surdy with PureDry Restoration, and I'm smiling right now, but it may not be the best situation actually. So I'm standing on Sexton Road in Snohomish, Washington, and this river behind me is a Pilchuck River, and it's actually going to cap, and it already capped this morning, which means there's going to be homeowners that are affected by this water loss. So the key is I wanted to supply you guys with some tips of what you can do if you're affected by this water. Number one is call your insurance agent, and what you want to ask them is, do I have flood insurance? This is different than your normal homeowner's insurance policy. Your normal homeowner's insurance policy will not cover flood from a river, a natural disaster circumstance. So you want to call your agent and say, do I have flood insurance if you are affected? If you are affected by this water, the one thing to be aware of is, see that color? Where are we? Boom. See that color? That brown water is filled with a lot of different contaminants. It's considered black water, category 3 water, which means anything that it comes in contact with, drywall, carpet padding, any of your furnishings, things like that, if it comes in contact with it, the restorability is not doable. You have to actually remove that affected material because you cannot disinfect something that's affected with that much material. So a couple other few tips are, if you do get affected by this water, you don't want to turn on your fans and put on your heat. That's going to increase the rate of mold growth. When you increase heat and you don't have any dehumidification going on, you're actually going to speed up the process of mold growth, and we want to make sure that you prevent that. So if you or somebody you know is affected by what we got going on right here, they can call Ben at PureDry Restoration. What I'll do is I'll walk you through the process. I'll actually help determine what the best steps are for you, whether you should file a claim, whether this is a flood claim where we'd be dealing with FEMA, or if this is a self-pay situation. I'll help walk you through the steps to make sure that you're in very good hands and that you know what needs to happen. So I wish everybody luck and safety, and hopefully you don't get affected by what's going on here. And again, PureDry Restoration, puredry.com. See you guys.